How to publish Wix website on Google 2023 quick and easy. So if you want to quickly go ahead and publish your Wix website on Google, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your website section or you're going to create a new site. But I already have a site. You can create one, but I'm simply going to show you how you're going to publish a site. So I'm going to select the site that I want to publish. Okay, I'm going to go into the site. Okay. Now, once I go into the site section, let me show you what it's going to look like. So here we're going to click on design site. Now, once you click on design site, it takes you to the Wix website editor. And when it takes you to the Wix website editor, it's obviously going to load things, and I'm just going to wait for it to be loaded. And once it's fully loaded, up here, it's going to give you the publish option. So that is exactly what we're going to be choosing and what we're going to be using to run our publishment gig. Okay, that is how simple and easy it is to publish your website. So let me show you what it looks like. So here, as you can see, I have my website. To publish it, simply click on publish. And once you click on publish, here you can see it says click publish to go live with your website, so anyone can go ahead and see it. So simply, there we go. Now my website is published. So if I click on view site, you're going to be seeing that my website is published and we are good to go. So it's on Google, and that is how you can publish your website to Google. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.